we're ready to make a big splash at the next NADA show in Dallas, January 26th through 29th, 2023.
That's right, Dallas, a new city offers new opportunities.
And there's a lot to love about Dallas.
You know, I love food, and there are fabulous places to eat.
I live for live music, and Dallas is an amazing place to catch a show.
There are vibrant neighborhoods, it's walking friendly, and we will be in the heart of it all.
This year's expo is going to be bigger and better than ever.
And of course, there'll be workshops, keynote speakers, NADA live stage, and so much more.
Come enjoy everything great about Dallas.
And experience the auto industry event of the year.
Registration is now open.
NADA Show 2023 in Dallas. Find out more at nadashow.org.
We'll see you there.